Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Pavitra. Last weekend we went to Birds of Paradise. It's a wonderful place that helps animals and birds through donation and ticket sales. Your support goes a long way in feeding and caring for them. It's also a great educational experience for children and a refreshing outing for the whole family. Adventure activities such as horse riding, ATV riding, available at extra cost. A detailed video of Birds of Paradise I have already shared in my YouTube channel. Please check. Thank you for watching.